tutorials. Part 12 Constraints on Database Tables. In these sessions, we will learn about entity integrity, differential integrity, on domain integrity. Entity integrity is called that the primary key constraints. If primary key constraints exist in the table, then it is called an entity integrity. And if table contains a foreign key, then it is called a foreign key constraints and it is called a differential integrity. And if table contains check constraint, then it is called a domain integrity. Now move to SQL Server Management Studio. This is a query window. First of all, we write the query to create a check constraints. Uh, Constraint. First of all, we create a table. Create table fee integer id is not null, and this is the procedure for primary key. Now primary key and a fee integer fee integer check fee less than fee less than equal to 0, fee greater than is equal to 0, and fee less than equal to 5,000, and this is called check constraints. If we highlight and then execute it, command is successfully executed. Just refresh our table sample database. Just right click on database and click on refresh. Okay, drop down, tables drop down, and our table is fee constraint. This is called a constraint. If we execute our check constraints and that how we code it, then create two new editor query window. And this is our code for check constraints. Alter table db.force we check and check this. Okay, if table is already existed in our database, then how we add check constraints in a table? If table is already created, first by using alter statement we add check constraints in a table. Alter table name is personal, table name is personal, add constraint ck, table name is personal, field name is salary, check salary must be greater than is equal to 0 and salary must be less than equal to 20,000. Just highlight and press execute button. Alter tables conflicted with the check constraint ck personal salary. The conflicted occurred database sample table colon second set. Oh what? This is conflicted occur because the data type of the salary is varchar, and the check constraint is only applies on the integer type or double type values. If we apply it on integer, then id highlight it id just highlight. Now if we change the integer, then salary. Now we change the column name id from to salary. Just highlight and press execute it. Again conflicted occurs. Again conflicted occurs. This- Okay, because the data is inserted in salary, just highlight it and press right click on the, and now we execute our query. Command is successfully executed because first when we inserted the data in tables, and after inserted data we apply check constraints on our tables. Therefore, the SQL Server Management Studio pop-up message of conflicted occurs because the check constraint is not applied on tables after data inserted. And this is a check constraints on the database tables. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, it is so beneficial for you. Have you have a nice